They are all going to turn on each other. This individual or these people are going to be forced to separate. Okay. Now, for some of you, this connection was built on faulty ground. It was built around materialism. Okay. So for some of you, someone chose to connect with someone. This could be like a business partnership, right? Someone chose to partner up with someone in a business sense because they felt like this individual had the right look to be presented outwardly to the public. And maybe you were trying to show this person, look, I've got an idea, this, that, and the other. This could have been an investor that chose someone else to invest in over you. For some of you, it could have been, unfortunately, a romantic partner that chose someone over you because of this person's career and finances. Okay. For others of you, it could have been a friend that may have chose another friend over you because they felt like the person looked good in regards to the fancy designer clothes that they wear, the flashy car that they drive, the house that they live in. And for others of you, I feel like it could have been like a clique. This clique could have been in your neighborhood. This could have also been your siblings. Okay, some of your siblings unfortunately are jealous of you, and they decided to try and come up against you because they felt like being envious and jealous of you alone wasn't enough. Now, if it is that situation whereby it's family members like siblings or people in your neighborhood, they don't even like each other. How about that? They don't even like each other. They can't even stand each other. The only thing that they have in common is you, is trying to destroy you. But what's going to happen is these individuals are going to be separated, right? They're all going to actually turn on each other. Okay. And I feel as if whatever they've been doing to you, the energetic bullying, maybe being upfront with their dislike for you, is going to be returned. Okay. And they're not going to be able to cope, but they're going to be forced to be on their own. And they will not be able to stand on their own because they feel like to come up against you will have to be done in a group. Okay. And this situation is not going to last. They're going to be forced to be isolated. This is one of their fears. Okay. Because again, they need to be around others. They need to align with others to try and come up against you because they can't do it on their own. But they're going to be forced to be on their own. There's going to be some sort of argument, some sort of disagreement. And for some of you, I feel like this individual may have manipulated someone to detach away from you, and they may have done it by offering this person money, offering this person food, offering this person lifts, doing things around this person's home, doing the most, because their fear was that this individual would connect with you and actually want to be your friend and actually like you and maybe want to have a romantic relationship with you. And what's going to happen is that if that is the case, that person is going to stop contacting this individual. That person is going to become very detached away from this person. I feel like spirit is going to be intervening in the situation, or something's going to come to an abrupt end. Maybe this individual is going to go through some sort of transformation. So say for instance, it is a group, right? Say for instance, it's siblings, someone in the community or a group in the community, right? Things are going to transform. And this could have something to do with money. So someone may lose a job. So that's going to break up this group, this clique, right? So someone's going to be kicked out of a job. Someone could go through a divorce. So if it's a situation whereby someone was with someone for money and they may have chose that person over you, they may actually have a divorce because the person who they chose over you might actually lose money. They could go bankrupt. And remember, that person chose that person only for money. And without money, they're going to find out that the person that they chose over you is of no use to them. This is what they're going to feel, and they're going to leave them. So that's going to, you know, break down. For others of you, I feel as if there's going to be some sort of transformation that occurs in these individuals' lives. Now, some of these people could be going through their Saturn return, where they will want better for themselves. Like they may want to get married, they may want to settle down, they may start to, you know, think to themselves, I need to really look at who I have around me. And they're going to make conscious decisions to start detaching, ending friendships from their life. And the ringleaders of these cliques and these friendship groups are going to be ostracized. They're going to be kicked away. They're going to be kicked out. So in some cases, some people didn't harm you emotionally, but they were associated with the people or the person that was. And these individuals are going to be going through a shift and a transformation, and they're going to be removing themselves or kicking these people out of their life. Okay, if it is a family situation, there could be a massive argument where these same siblings all turn on each other, or your parents turn on your siblings. They point out, look, we know what you're doing. You're jealous of such and such. Or for some of you, unfortunately, there could have been a passing away that occurred in your family. And when the conversation of inheritance comes up, you're going to see all those siblings that turned on you turn on each other. And you are going to just remain incognito. So for some of you, you peep game, you understood the assignment. So you may decide not to go to these family events, or you may just decide to just lay low. For some of you, I feel like you're quite detached away from family. You're going to find that some of these family members that try to turn on you may try and seek you out. They may try and telepathically try and engage with you, or they may feel like you're the only person that will understand, because they are going to be put in spiritual jail. All these individuals that try to emotionally upset you and trigger you and bully you are going to be put in time out. Okay? I feel like people will be opening their eyes to what has been going on, whether or not they've been manipulated by these people, or they sense or see what this person or these people have been trying to do to you. They're going to speak up. You know, these individuals are going to, I'm hearing the word spit venom at these individuals, almost as their spirit's going to be channeling through someone, and they're going to be speaking on your behalf, and they're going to be really giving, you know, their thoughts and opinions and feelings to whoever these people are, which is going to come as a shock, because these people or this person felt like they were untouchable. They're going to realize that people have other options. People are going to be choosing other people over them. You know, this group or this clique or whatever it is was built on very unstable ground. You know, these are the types of individuals that only connect with each other because they all have something in common besides you, which is overindulging, which is going to lead, for some of you, these people are going to turn on each other because they're going to be over intoxicated, and then their emotions are going to spill out. They're going to say things to each other that they can't even, you know, take back. And again, I feel like you're going to be doing your healing work. You will remove yourself from these individuals, or spirit is urging you to remove yourself from these individuals. Don't try and get involved in what's happening, you know, because I feel moving forward, for some of you, you're going to go towards maybe a superior position, which is going to take you away from these individuals, or someone is going to be losing a job here. Okay. You're going to be going towards success and victory, whilst they're going to be emotionally compromised, you know, wishing that they can be on your side, right? You're going to be going towards your victory and success. and you're going to win in this situation.